Hi guys, welcome to this forex class. It's Cameroon here in collaboration with Blue Pips FX. So Blue Pips FX is founded by my brother Sir Dominic. So for some of you may have heard about him, but I'm going to put the link of his own YouTube channel in the description of this video for you to be able to check it out. So he's still setting up the channel depending on the time or at which you will be watching this video, but time to time come and check here so you can go to his channel and be able to have knowledge concerning forex. So we are going to be talking about the most basic apps that we need for forex trading, and this class is for forex beginners, like for those persons who have never heard about forex. So I am going to be taking this class slowly, so it's going to be in a video series form. And mind you, I haven't scripted this video, so I am going to be talking locally, and it's an unscripted video, so forgive me if I talk slowly in some parts or I make some mistakes in some parts, but the goal is for you to be able to understand the concept of forex and to understand what all this is about. I won't go into the definition of forex and everything, but I'll just go straight to the first app that we need to be able to trade forex. So the first app we need, it's going to be MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which is MT4 and MT5. So for Apple users, you won't be able to see this or to see this app in your Apple Store because it was taken down about a few months back, depending on the time you're watching this video. So when you go to your Play Store, you type in MT4. So MT4 stands for MetaTrader 4. So as you can see, this is it, MetaTrader 4. You install it. You are going to be needing it as time goes on. Then you also have the next one, which is MT5. So MT5 is like the advanced version. So for the sake of explaining in this video, I uninstall my MT5. So I'm going to install it, assuming we are all starting to install it together. Is that okay? So it's going to install. Just wait for it to install. So I'm also sorry that this video may be a little bit lengthy, but it is worth it, guys, if you really want to get yourself into forex and to understand what is forex. And I'm going to make a video concerning forex definition or forex terminology, everything you need to know about forex, because forex stands for foreign exchange. Some people may not know that, but that's just it. So this video is just for us to talk about the most used app in forex trading, MT4 and MT5. This is where all the tradings in the world concerning forex takes place, in this app. For the computers or laptops, you have MT4 and MT5 and the laptop version. So once you've installed this, you click on open. So it's going to open, and in most cases it's going to open a demo account for you. So open a demo account, you are going to accept. So let me just shrink this, my face. Voila. So it's going to create a demo account for you. Opening an account at MetaQuotes Please wait. So you will just have to wait, and just wait. Okay, so it has automatically created a demo account for you, and if you swipe from the left like this to the right, this is what is going to open. So we have a demo account which is of 10,000 US dollars, and what proves an account to be a demo account is you look up here like this. You are going to be seeing demo here. So demo stands for demonstration. All right, demonstration account is like a practical account that they give you fake money that you are going to be trading on, but with the same market condition. If I go to my MT4, where I have one of my live accounts logged into presently, if I come here, this is the live account down here. So with live accounts, you don't see any demo. So there is no demo written here like this. This is a demo account, and then this is a live account. So if I log into this live account, so I am already logged into my live account, you see there is no demo here. There is no demo here. There's no demo here like this one. So the account balance is $2,867. If you're in Cameroon, you know how much that is. So let us continue back to our MT5. Suppose that you downloaded the MT5. So MT5 and MT4, there is no much difference, but I'm going to explain to you the difference between MT5 and MT4. But mind you, MT5 is the advanced version of MT4, or like the updated version of MT4. There are some functions that it has that the MT4 doesn't have, but it's not that much. Okay, so let's continue. So from here, the first thing you are going to see here once you log in is going to be these things written down here. You see the code. Let me see. Yes, you see the code, the trades. You see this box and this last one. So this is history. This one here. So this is history. So what we are going to be doing, we are going to be looking at all of this one after the other. So if you click on quote is where you'll be able to see all the pairs. So as you can see here, GBP USD. GBP stands for Great Britain pounds and USD stands for United States dollar. So we are going to be looking all of this one after the other. But firstly, before we go into it, we should look at this menu bar up here. If you slide from the left to the right, the menu bar will come up. If you tap on these three lines up here, the menu bar will still come up. Now you click on manage account. Once you click on manage account, this is where you will be able to see all your accounts that you have logged into a trading account. Now, why do we need a MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4? For you to be able to trade the financial market, you need this app, and also you need a broker. Now, with a broker, you create an account with a broker where you can deposit your money. And now, after depositing your money in that broker, the broker gives you a login details for MT4 or MT5, depending on your choosing. And then you take those login details and you bring it here. As you are trading here, the figures, be it profit or losses, is reflecting in your account at the back office of that your brokerage account. So if you are making profits here, you go into that brokerage account at the back office, you request a withdrawal there and you withdraw it. If you look into my account here, you can see let me just log into this Just Forex demo. So Just Forex is a brokerage firm that you can be able to deposit money with it. If you're in Cameroon, you can use mobile money to deposit your money with it with Momo, and then withdraw also with Momo. So even Xnest, all of them, they do the same. If you want to register into any of these brokers, you look in the description of this video, you'll be able to see my referral link there. You click on it and you'll be able to create your own account. Is that okay? So let's proceed back. But before we proceed, you can see this is an account from a different broker. This is an account from another broker. We are going to look into all of that. So just be patient and watch this video from the beginning till the end to be able to understand. So from here, if you want to add another account to be able to have 2, 3, 4 accounts, you click on the plus sign that you see up here. This plus sign that you see up here. Now, after you click on this plus sign, you can now come here and you search for your broker. So let's suppose I want to search for Just Forex. So let me say Just Forex. So you can see Just Forex. You can see this, it has popped up. This is the brokerage. So from Just Forex, you will now select, is it a demo or a live account? So that is how you'll be able to sign in into a trading account. But in some cases, when you click here, they will ask you to create a demo account, or let me just click here, create a demo account or log into existing account. So you choose log into existing account. Let me come to my, okay, on MT4 you can see, so you are seeing some of the differences. So here you can see open a demo account and then log into an existing account. So if you click on log into an existing account, it still brings you here where you can see find broker. You now go and you take the saver and you come in and you input it here. So this is how you will be able to log into a brokerage account. From here, you can change password, clear password, delete account. So that is that. All of these ones is like a pin for you to be able to put OTP, like a one-time password. This code protects the generator from unauthorized access. For instance, if you have a kid in the house or you have children in the house and they always touch your phone or play with your phone, as a forex trader, please come in here and put this code so that you will not fall into the trap of you losing money because your child took it. I remember a story where a trader was was with the child in the house, and something happened, and he went out and then came back while the child was with the phone. He almost spent some time, let me say he spent some time out. On coming back, the child said that this new game is nice. So the child was buying, selling, and before he knew it, his account was already blown. So since you are a mother or somebody that has children around, please come here, put a password. It's like a password, so that for you to be able to come into this interface, you must have put the password. Is that okay? So that is that. Now let us come in now to this next part, which is now the quotes that we see down here. Now quotes is where you see the pairs. Okay, so all the pairs here, these are different currency pairs here. AUD against USD. So AUD stands for Australian dollar. So don't bother, you are going to understand all of this before the end of this video, and also before the end of this video series that I'm going to be creating. It's just to give an idea. All right, I'm not going to be taking anything too detailed about forex trading, but I'm just going to be giving the ideas about forex trading and adding some little things in it. So if you want to add a particular pair, you click on the plus sign up here. Now you can see if it's under forex, you click on forex. Now after clicking on forex, you can now come here and you see, let me say Canadian dollar with Japanese yen. So you click Japanese, Euro AUD, Euro Canadian dollar. So as I'm tapping all of them here, all of them are adding down here. Is that okay? So this is what it means by adding pairs into your code. And if you want to delete any pair here, you click on this pen sign up here. If you want to add, you click on this plus. If you want to delete, you click on this or edit. When you click on this pen sign, it means you want to select some. You can click on this. Now let's choose United States dollar with Switzerland franc. You see USD, Rupee, Australian dollar, USD. So you click on delete. So you can see it has limited our quote list. So if I click again to remove some, remove this. Look at, we are now left with about how many? 5 different pairs. So these are currency pairs. Now currencies are traded in pairs. Is that okay? You cannot trade one currency. So we are using one currency to exchange or buy with another. Now again here, we are going to see, we are seeing the way these figures are changing. Now this shows that the financial market is open. The financial market opens from opens from Monday to Friday. Is that okay? So opens from Monday to Friday. That's the only days that forex can be traded. That is why these figures here are changing colors as you are seeing. So that is that. The next thing you'll be seeing is this low and high. So this low is the ask price and this high is the bid price. And for you to be able to get the difference between the low and the bid price, it is, you look at the raised to the power here. The raised to the power here refers to as the change in market movement, which is always measured in pips, and then the distance between these two is measured in pips, but it is called spread. So let me take for example, if you have two lines like this, now this gap here, this gap that you see like this, that I've made this thing inside like this, is considered as the spread. Is that okay? So it's considered as the spread. So the smaller the spread, the better for you. So a brokerage that has a smaller spread like this is good. So up here you have the bid price and the ask price. All right, now the distance from here to here is measured in what we call pips. Is that okay? So let's just say for you to know the amount of distance from here to here, you can calculate from here. With this, they are not showing, but if we go to let me wipe this. If we come to my MT4, if we go to MT4 and come right here, you can see the difference here. This is a demo account now from a broker. So every broker have their own difference in spread. As I explained to you, you can see already this is 60 and this is 59. So once this is getting to 61, this is turning to 60. You can always see. So the spread here is 1. Is that okay? So this raised to the power like that is 1. turning to 2 1 2 1. So in most cases it is 2, but you can see, so if you come now to trade to chart, you can see this is the distance. The one down is the ask price, the one up is the bid price. So that is how it fluctuates. So that gap in between them is called spread, and the distance between those gap is measured in pips. So that is how you can be able to know that. If you are not trading with a real broker, you will not be able to see the spread differences from here. Is that okay? Maybe I'll explain that in our subsequent videos to come. So we are now done with the quotes. Let's go to the chart. Chart is not that complicated. So with charts, what you see here is this is the financial market. This is the financial market. But before we talk about the charts here, I didn't mention something here. So for instance, you see Euro USD. It means Euro is the base currency and USD is the counter currency. If you are from Cameroon, then you will understand that when we talk about $1, which is USD, like this, is equals to 650 francs. It means if you were to come to this chart, it means what you'll be seeing here will be, it means it is a correspondent of $1, which is the base currency. Then this graduation that you are seeing here, like this, it will be 650, 651 going up. So this is the meaning. So any pair you always see the first one like this by the left and the second one by the right. The first one is like the base currency or the main currency. That's why you are seeing Euro versus US dollar. So it means Euro is stronger than US dollar, and it means 1 euro, 1 unit of Euro is equivalent to this 1.4840 of US dollar. So that is it. So I hope you have understood in terms of CFA. Take it in your own currency. Imagine that you want to exchange maybe $1 to Naira. $1 will be here and Naira will be behind it. So the next thing you will see now here is these figures here. You can see this plus sign. Now with this plus sign, what is it used for? If you look in between this gap like this, there are gaps here like this. You cannot see their own figure. So you use this now to be able to see in between them. Are you seeing? Are you seeing? So as you are moving up, you are reading the figures in between them. And at the same time, if you are moving it left to right, you'll be reading by the date and the time also from below, as you can see as it is moving. Then if you want to send it back, you just tap on the plus sign and it goes. Now this F sign here stands for function. So functions here is just talking about indicators like the Bollinger Band. It helps you to trade and to analyze the market much better. So I've clicked on it. You can see it has now been added into my chart. So you can see it helps in analyzing the financial market. If you want to delete it, you click on here and delete. It is gone. So that is that. The next one here is, this is another way of getting to the quote. So instead of me coming to the quote down here to select a currency to go to, I'll just click up here and then I'll be able to place my trades or to be able to open any chart from this other pairs of my choosing. Let me say I want to open now GBP, Great Britain Pound against USD, which is GBP USD. It now loads the chart and then it brings the charts up. You can see pound sterling versus US dollar. So it's loading. Okay, it's loading. So don't bother. My network is a little bit slow. Or rather, it's still loading. Anyway, let's work with the one that has already loaded. So from here, all what you see here like this, they are called candlestick. Okay, all of these candlestick like that, they have their different names. And if you want to go further into forex, you'll be able to understand this candlestick and everything, when is which candlestick and which of them. Like the market is moving upward in an uptrend, it is buying. In a downtrend, it is selling, and so on. Now this other like a double tap here, it stands for you to be able to split their windows. Okay, so let me click on add window. It has split the screen into two, so I can decide to tap on this window to add a new currency pair down here that will now load and then appear down here. I don't know why it's not accepting to open, but it will load and appear down here. If you want to remove it, you click on it and you hold it. All right, so that is that. Then the next thing you are seeing is this plus sign up here again. Now this plus sign is where you'll be able to place trade. Once you click there, you'll be able to place trade by putting your lot sizings. If you don't know what is lot sizing, I'll make a dedicated video for that. And then talking about placing trade, you have instant execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. So I'll explain all of this other placement in my next video, and then also explaining about pips. So here you have stop loss. The stop loss are here. You have stop loss here, and then you have TP here, take profits here. You have the lot sizing here, and then you have market execution or types of trade. For instance, let me just give a simple explanation. Stop loss simply means, let me suppose the market is now moving down. It means you are selling the market, expecting that the market will go down. Now let's suppose that you entered the market somewhere here like this. Now as you enter the market somewhere here, you are selling the market. It means if the market is going up, you are going to be on negative. So you put your stop loss now here, LS here, meaning that if your prediction that the market will sell and go down doesn't work, and then the market is coming up like this, once it gets to this point, let it stop me out of the market in these losses. And the distance from here to here will be measured now in pips. And now due to your lot sizing, you will be able to know how much money you are risking here in this space to be able to make this profit. So that's when you'll be talking about risk management, which is 1:3, 1:4, 1:5, and so on. So I'll explain all of that in my next video. Now take profit means, as this market will be selling, if it gets to this point, it should take me out of the market in profit. If it goes above this point, it should take me out of the market in losses. So this happens in either ways. If you are buying and it's going up, if you are buying and it's going up instead, it means you enter the market somewhere here. It means your stop loss is supposed to be down here based on your measurement, or your calculation or your analysis, which it will be in pips. Then you put your TP somewhere that when it gets to this figure here, it should take me out of the market in profit. Now stop loss also has the figure, so you read. That's how we trade. Is that okay? So don't bother, all of this is just like new and strange to you, but you're going to understand it. Then the next now is trade. Now if you come now here, this is where you'll be able to see your running trade. For instance, let me come here and place a trade. Okay, all right, let us buy. Okay, so I have just placed a trade, so you can see I have placed a trade, and this as it's moving. So here like this, you'll be able to see your trade. When it is blue, it means you are in profit. When it is in negative, when it is red, it means you are in negative. So if I close it now, you can see close with profit, $6, $7 profit. So this is how we trade, but this is a demo account, it's not real money. Okay, so you trade in a demo account with the same financial market condition. So you can see it's already in $19 just now like that. Okay, it's not that easy, guys. You have to analyze the market. So this is just for practical reasons or for explanation reasons. So it's already at $31. Okay, if you click on here, you can see other functions. You can see this. It will take you to chart. This will take you to add a position or to add another place another trade. Here like this means you want to edit this position. Is that okay? Then this now means close the position. So let us look at them one after the other. Here means close the position, and then here means edit. It means I can now edit and put just the stop loss here and the take profits here. I'll explain all of this in my next video, so do well to watch it. Then this plus sign means I want to add another position again, buy or sell, as you are seeing from below. Then the next thing that we'll look at is if I click on here and I click on close. So close in profit, it means we have made $35 profit today. So this is where you see your running trades. Then the next thing that we're going to be looking at is the history bar down here. So history bar shows you your account history of the day, the past week, the past month, and the past 3 months. So we came into history. So you can see this is a trade that we opened and we closed, and we made $35 in this trade. It's a demo account, and you need to analyze the market carefully before you can make profit. Is that okay? My knowledge in forex is not the same like yours, but then you need to study hard. That's why I can enter a trade and it goes directly into profit without me looking into the market. It's not because I've been trading for long, it's just because that time the market was to go up as of that moment. I'm not saying as if I planned it or I knew it, but it could have still been in negative. But then if you analyze the market very well, your predictions will always go in the positive direction of your choosing. Now if you click up here like this, you will be able to see today, last week, last month. So this is today. Is that okay? Here you'll be able to see your deposit, swaps, commission, balance, and so on. So that is that. For here, you don't need anything other message. So that is all about MetaTrader 4. Now I didn't talk about something here. You see equity. Equity simply means balance plus running position. Is that okay? I'll explain free margin, leverage, and in my next video. But let me just place a trade. Okay. Let me just come back here and then place a trade of buy again. Okay. Now it is a negative $2. So you can now see from up here, you will see from here, equity. I talk about equity being balance plus running position. So our running position is negative 10. It's fluctuating here. So you can now see balance plus equity. They are either subtracting or minusing. So if we are in negative 11 down here, they are minusing it from our account. So they are showing us the equity here. So if your account was $1,000 and you are losing $100, you will be having a $900 here. You see, so that is it. So if I close this trade now, they will ask me to close with loss. Have you seen? Close with loss, close with loss. So that's just it. If I close it here, like turn into blue, let me close it. Okay, so let me close it with negative $1. And you will now see we had $35 made and we have now lose $1, and our equity is now at 10,034. So that is it. If you go to history, you will see that we lose negative $1. Is that okay? So you now see when it is in red, it means you are losing. Guys, I'm sorry for making this video to be lengthy, but I just thought it is wise that you should be able to understand all of this. I'm going to make another video which is going to be talking about market orders, and then my next video after market orders is going to be talking about MT4 and MT5 in a laptop, okay, or in a computer, how to sign into it, download it, install it, and then be able to log into the same account into your MetaTrader in your phone and also in your laptop. Then we'll be able to look into brokers. For instance, if you go into Just Forex, this is my Just Forex broker back office. This is my Just Forex broker back office. So you can click on the link in the description. You'll be able to create your own account. Now they have changed their name into Just Market. Is that okay? So let's log in into this account. Let us log into this account. Let me come back here. Okay, log me in. So it is going to take me into this account. So this is it. So this is Just Forex. They have changed their name to Just Market. So you can see I have just one live account here. Live means real account, so I can deposit money here. And then this is my IB account. Then this is demo. So this is where you see me creating those demo account. The demo account you saw of 1,000, 55,000. This is it here. Okay, this is another demo account I've logged into it. So you can see when you are creating a demo account or review account here, you will be able to see whether you are choosing by which trading platform. Is it MT4 or MT5? So here is MT4 and here is MT5. So the accounts are different. If you tap here, you'll be able to see account information. This is where you will now come here. You'll be able to see the server, which is the brokerage name. As I told you, you go and search it then. The login, which is the login, which is the login, and then the password. You will create the password, so only you will know it. If I go to MT4, let me go to my MT4. I think this should be it. You can see this is the account that we are logged into. You can see it has $1,500 and $1,055. So if I place any trade here, and let me just say I I want to make a loss. If I trade here and I make a loss or profit, it reflects into this account, here, into this back office, and this is where you'll be able to trade or withdraw. If it was in a live account, you will see the withdrawal option and the deposit option. Click on deposit. You will be able to see where you can deposit in Momo. You can see it will load like this, and they will ask you deposit method. So you can now see deposit in Momo. Is that okay? If I come here, this is the number that I will deposit from. Then they put $1. You can now see $1 is equivalent to 626. So if you want to deposit $10, they will show it here, and you pay through mobile money. If you want to withdraw, it is the same method. Is that okay, guys? So I'm sorry that this video is a little bit lengthy, but it was worth it. I don't want to be making this half by half, part by parts. I just wanted to explain all of this. So the next video will be about market orders, placing trade, and so on. Is that okay? Voila. So see you guys in my next video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you'll be able to get more updates when I make videos concerning how I'm making money on the internet. Is that okay? So see you guys. Love you so much. Peace.